guys, I'm Nidhi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you guys can read from the title of the video, today's video is my birthday vlog. So actually a few weeks ago in October was my birthday, so I shot a vlog of sort of the celebration that I did with my friends as well as my relatives, but I've included more of the clips from the ones where I celebrated with my friends. I've also included the sort of unboxing of my birthday gift because earlier I used to only do an unboxing of my birthday gift, so I decided that this time I wanted to do a whole vlog. So I really hope you guys enjoy that, and without any further delay, let's get right into the video, guys. I don't think so. Oh my God. Say hi.
Hi. Oh my gosh, this is going to be on camera.
Yeah.
Can you do this?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
This girl over here, and this is
Hi.
Nuiance. She's a class counselor.
No.
Which I did not have to say, but I said. Look at Bal.
Can I leave?
No, Nuiance. Armana. Hope you guys can see. Actually, so I'm just gonna do unboxing.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. We will come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up.
Canvases, I think. I really like this. These are some art supplies, and I always like getting art supplies. Also, this is the next gift from my friend Marana, and I keep these papers aside if my mom wants to reuse them. How do we open this? Yeah, to get it up. And she got me this bag. Hope you guys can see that. I'll open this up. Yeah. So this is the bag, and it's so cute, guys. Look at it. It has this sort of thing which you can open like this. If you guys can see that. Where's the camera? Like this. And then you put it back and lock it. And it has these zips. It has 1 and 2 zips. I'll open it up. See? I won't remove the paper. Now I'll show this to my mom and then remove the papers. And this is the other zip. And this is how we carry it. And I really like this because I have really few purses right now, and I kind of really need purses and stuff. And here's another gift, I guess. It says happy birthday Nidhi. This is from my friend Nuiance, the one who was there in the Ganesh Chaturthi video. You guys can click up here to check out that video. I'm going to carefully open this. is this like lip balm thing. You guys can see that. And these two like nail polishes. This is a very peach shade. Will the camera just focus 1 minute? Yeah. I'll put it on my fingers and show that to you guys someday, guys. And this is like this green shade. Yeah. And I also got this like this. And that's all for my gifts for my birthday. And I'll see you guys later, I guess. Okay, you guys can see 1 minute. Yeah, so this is what my parents got me. Actually, all of the stuff have not come yet. So just a few of the stuff, I think. I'm gonna be opening this stuff now. I'll open a smaller package. This is still in the Amazon packaging thing. Just gonna open it up. How do you open this? So this is the first set of stuffs which I got. It came in this like little envelope thingy. Like, I hope you guys can see that. And I'm gonna open that up now. Okay. So this is the Amazon bill thing. This is what it came. It's just gonna be a mirror image, isn't it? It's okay. I think this is the like photo cards I got. I'll open it up. So let's open that up. This comes in this clear like plastic case. Okay. Just gonna try and get this all out, or just end up tearing it because it's not coming out. Oh no. Okay, I did it. So first up, we have this card of the sort of company which sent this stuff to me, and then these are the photo cards. I'll show it to you guys one by one. These are a lot thinner than the ones which I'd gotten before. I'll also link this down in the sort of description. Okay. The light is sort of reflecting on this, so I hope you guys can still see it properly. I'll put this in my photo card album later. I hope you guys don't get disturbed by the random noises in the background. It's just, I guess, my neighbor speaking. So like I really would pick of 𝗥𝗚𝗚𝗏, I think. Like back in 2019 when they debuted. Yes. Oh, I really like this pic. Hope you guys can see that. Okay. This is the other one which I got. I'll open this. I think I know what this is, but I may be wrong, so I won't guess anything yet. I did not put on the fan, so it's like super hot right now. Okay. Okay. This is another Amazon bill thing. Oh, this is what I thought it was. It's the hoodie which I ordered. I opened it up. It comes in this clear packaging. And you guys may have saw this is a 𝗥𝗚𝗏 one. I already have the BTS one. So I wanted to get this one for my birthday. Okay, let's see. So this is the sort of logo of 𝗢𝗥𝗘, and I'm totally going to use that somewhere. And this is, I guess, the company logo thing. Okay, how do I show that to you guys without having the... Okay. And this is the hoodie. Okay, I hope you guys can see that. These are the string thingies. This is a hoodie. Look at the sleeves, guys. And the hood. This has a sort of like fleece-y material on the inside, like this. And on the outside it's just normal hoodie material, I guess. And this is the 𝗢𝗥𝗘 logo. It says tomorrow by together here, and it says 𝗢𝗥𝗘 out here. And I'm not going to be wearing it right now. I'll wear it and show it to you guys later. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. It looks on me like how do I put this here? This is how it looks. And this isn't as baggy as my BTS one, but I still like it because it fits me more properly, I guess. And look at the sort of pocket thing. But like the sleeves, they fit a bit more looser, and I really like how it looks. Okay, bye again, I guess.
Here I'm unboxing gifts which I got from my relatives. Actually, I did not shoot my voice over here because there was a lot of noise in the background. I was in the living room, so I was talking to my my family also. So this was given to me by my aunt, and it's sort of like this kurta sort of thing with a palazzo sort of pant. So I'll just show that to you guys. And kind of trying to show that to you guys in the camera right now. I don't know how to show it, and please, if you guys can hear some random dogs in the background, please ignore that noise. I don't know what happened, the dog started making noise again. So this was the palazzo pant I was talking about. This is the second gift, and this was from my other aunt, and she gave me this sort of the gift in this like bag which is grey. It was staple, so I was sort of trying to open that over there. Okay, so this was also a kurta. The previous one was pink, as you guys saw, and this is a red one. And I was smiling very weirdly over here. I'm just showing this to my family because everyone asked me to do that. I guess that's why I was smiling. Everyone was like, show the thing, the sort of gift. So this was the gift from my parents. Like they had given me some stuff the previous day, but the other thing had arrived on this day, so my mom packed it. And I didn't know what was this. I was like trying to open it. I got a scissor also. It was still in the Amazon packaging, as you guys could see. And I'm also laughing here again, I guess because I couldn't open it properly. So these were the sort of stickers which I got, and they came in this like bubble wrap packaging. Also, I forgot to show you guys my nails properly. I just colored them in different colors, and also with the one I used the sort of nail polish I got the day before also. And as you guys can see, I'm again struggling with opening the packaging because there were lots of tape, and I had a scissor, but I don't know why I decided not to use that. And I was just playing with the sort of bubble wrap for a minute. Not even a minute, just a few seconds. Then I figured out I had a scissor and sort of started using it. And these were the stickers. I actually wanted to use those ones for like my bullet journal and my journaling in general. so I wanted those. Yeah, I was sort of talking to everyone over there. This is just the sort of card which came with it, where I don't know, the company's name and stuff was written, and the stickers came in 3 sheets, I think. You guys, the sort of light is falling on that, so you guys can't see that properly. Those are the stickers, and if you guys have seen my November bullet journal setup, I used 2 of those from this only. So these were the other kind. And also I didn't show you guys all of the other gifts which I got, which were like money packets and stuff, because I didn't want to show that. I just showed these ones where I was unboxing my presents, and we're done, guys. Thank you for watching.
Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog, because this was a birthday vlog which I had not done before. So I really hope that you guys liked it. You guys can comment down below some more video ideas or some more sort of vlog related content which I can try out. And I'm really sorry for not uploading a video last week, because I actually had edited this video but I didn't get enough time to post it. So I'm really sorry about that, guys. And please like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you already subscribed, hit the notification bell so you can notify when I upload a video. And stay safe, stay happy, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Until then, bye guys.